welcome back to my channel, Creative Nikki. My channel is about hair, beauty, fitness, fashion and lifestyle. Guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm gonna be doing a rice water method, how I prevent my rice water from smelling. So here today we've got some sesame seed oil from Tesco. This is a Tesco brand. And I've got some rice water that I've already made in this bottle. It's not smelling at all. This, guys, because loads of people have been having problem with a smelly rice water, and this is a no smell guaranteed, sorry, my apologies, guaranteed rice water no smell method. So first of all, you wash the rice. So I've got a container. So now, first of all, you wash the rice, you put it in a sealed container and you leave it to soak overnight. As you can see, guys, the water is clean because I washed it. You have to wash it first, guys. If you're going to use it in your hair, you have to wash it first. And also, if you're going to eat it as well, you need to wash it. So I also added some lavender to my overnight rice water, and I'm going to be adding some lemon. If you haven't got a lemon, you can use lime, or you can use lemon water or lime water. And you're going to need as well, very important, the sesame seed oil. So guys, now I'm going to be draining the water going to be draining it off. You can cook this, guys. You can cook it even with the lavender. You can cook it, you can eat. So some people, they soak their rice water for longer, but it works for me. I soak it for a day and it works for me, so that's what I'm going with. So now we're gonna add this water. We're gonna add the water to this bowl, but before we do that, we need to dilute the rice water. The overnight rice water, you must dilute it, guys. So we're gonna be adding some water to it. And then can you see the grease? Can you see the grease around, like in this bottle, guys? That's because of the sesame seed oil. I wish if you guys could smell it like through the phone, because it doesn't smell at all. So now, guys, here we're going to be adding this. We're going to be adding this to this. So I'm going to be adding it to your rice water bottle, spray bottle. This is good for growing your hair, guys, and it's good for like making your hair thick. Like if you want your hair to be thick, bouncy, the ingredients that I've got in here is good. It grows your hair. It's a natural ingredients, all homemade. So if you've got a damaged hairline, if you've got problems, if you've got damaged ends, if you've got a damaged hair, you can use this. You can use it like, probably I use it, to be honest with you, I use it each time I comb my hair, and probably that's every other day. And the reason why I can use it every day or every other day is because I dilute it. So guys, make sure you dilute it. So now we're going to be adding my secret ingredients, which is the lemon, or you can use lime, guys. Ideally, you can just squeeze it in a little container so you can get all your lemon juice. But because I've already made this is just a demonstration video, really. But I'm not gonna waste it. I'm still using it. But yeah, you can squeeze it out in a cup container to get all the lemon juice. And then now, this is sesame seed oil, guys. First, when I made this, first time I made this, I used the lemon and it still smelled. And I thought I'm gonna try some lavender and the sesame seed oil, and it was just out of curiosity, to be honest with you, and it worked for me. So guys, you can give it a go and please let me know, because I know that it worked for me, so it's gonna work for you guys also. I'm rhyming. So guys, as you can see, I've changed the color of the water, and I'm telling you guys, try it, drop a comment and let me know. It does not smell. I've had this like for 3 weeks. I've got a video as well if you want to check it out. It's called The Secret Ingredients. It's on my channel also. And 3 weeks, no smell. So guys, I'm gonna start making them as well, because I've been telling a couple of my friends and family about them, and it's working for them. So I'm gonna probably start it as a business, to be quite frank with you. So guys, as I'm saying, secret ingredient must have sesame seed oil, must have. And I'm not gonna say this is a must have, the lavender, but I use it also. So don't come and say it didn't work for me if you didn't use all ingredients that I've used, that I've tried. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I thank you all for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all on the flip side. Bye.